Welcome. Today, we're demystifying how to put a Tesla Model S in drive. Unlike traditional cars, the Model S uses a touchscreen-based gear selector. This video will guide you through the process step by step, ensuring you understand how to confidently and safely operate your Model S. First, ensure your Tesla Model S is powered on. Then, firmly press the brake pedal. This crucial safety step activates the system and prevents any accidental movement. The vehicle will not shift into drive unless the brake is engaged. Next, locate the gear selector on the left side of the central touchscreen. You'll see options for Park P, Reverse R, Neutral N, and Drive D. Tap the D icon to select drive. This activates the standard forward driving mode. With drive selected and the brake still depressed, release the brake pedal. Gently press the accelerator pedal, which is the right pedal, to start moving forward. Remember, the Model S utilizes regenerative braking, so the left pedal slows the car while recharging the battery. For enhanced performance, the Model S offers features like Ludicrous Mode, available on Plaid models for rapid acceleration. These modes can be accessed through the touchscreen in conjunction with the drive setting, elevating your driving experience. Here is the center console screen showing Ludicrous Mode selected for acceleration, along with standard steering and regenerative braking settings. The range mode toggle at the bottom can be switched for extended efficiency. This bar chart compares the electric range and price for different Model S variants. Higher performance models like the Plaid offer greater range and speed, but at a premium cost. Ludicrous Mode provides instant torque for quick acceleration, while range mode optimizes battery usage for longer drives. Always exercise caution when using high-performance driving modes. The automotive industry is rapidly evolving towards full autonomy. Tesla's FSD Supervised is now in beta for over 1 million users, reducing reliance on manual gear selection. The future includes plans for robotaxis by 2027, potentially rendering manual driving obsolete. As technology advances, expect to see voice commands or gesture controls further simplify the driving process.